So first of all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of you, and welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. And today we are celebrating and recording this video and giving and everyone is giving a presentation or speech on the topic Dashera. So let's begin. I am Christy and I am initiating today. So let's begin the topic. So Dashera is a very important and festival in India, and it is a Hindus festival, and it is celebrated with a lot of joy in India. And it is celebrated for the victory of Lord Ram against the Ravan. And in India there are many effigies which are burnt by people and people they are of Ravan, his brother Kumbhakaran, and Meghnath, and and there are many fairs in some places and in the states of India, and it is celebrated in most states of India by it is celebrated by some people are burning the effigies of Ravan, and it is celebrated with a lot of joy. And as we all know, it is celebrated in the month of October and September, and on the 10th day of Navratri after celebration. And mainly it is for the victory of Lord Ram against and it is also told that truth win against a lie. Thank you. That's all about my topic. And now I want to invite Tejan.
Okay, so hello everyone. So did you know that Dashera is it 10th day of Navratri? So it is all that the Navratris are end at this day, and whatever whatever goddess are coming in our cities, they go to their home, it is celebrated for the victory of Lord Ram, because when Ravan has takes Mata Sita, for killing the Ravan, Lord Ram was went there for killing the Ravan, and when he did, so at that day we celebrate as Dashera. And as I told you that it is the 10th day of Navratri, and when it is celebrated with joy and colors, like people make a handmade Ravan, and they just fired that, because it is all about they are just lighting the negativity, and they are just spreading positivity. And nowadays people celebrate Dashera with full joy and happiness, because it is very good for enjoying the Dashera, because it is all about spreading positivity in our society. And now I would like to call Paridhi.
So good evening, good afternoon to all of you. I am Paridhi, and today I am presenting a topic on the topic Dashera. So Dashera is a festival of Hindus. It is celebrated with joy and happiness, and I have seen so many other religion also celebrate this festival, like Muslims, Sikhs, and it is celebrated before 20 days before Diwali. On this day people usually starts cleaning their homes, and on this day people worships and makes the satya on the copper materials like taraju and etc. And our father makes the satya on the cars and bikes also, and people start cleaning their homes. It is celebrated on the last day, on the 10th day of Navratri, as Ma Durga defeated Mahishasur, and Dashera is also known as Vijayadashmi. Dashera is mainly celebrated because today Ram defeated Lord Ram defeated Ravana, because he kidnapped Lord Rama's wife Sita, and today on the day of Dashera, the children burn crackers with joy and happiness. Thank you. That's all about my topic. Now I want to call Manvi.
So hello everyone, I am Manvi Shishodia. So today we are here to celebrate Dasara. So the Dasara is a festival. On this day, Lord Ram defeated Ravan in the battle between on this day. On that situation, the Ravan kidnapped or Apharan Lordess Sita. So Lord Ram defeated with Ravan, and also this day celebrated after 10 days of Navratri. So some people also burn Ravan, but that's not good thing because Ravan is the bad person on that time because he kidnapped Lordess Sita. But he is very Lordess Sita, but he is very good person. He worship a lot of Lord Shiv, and he do meditation for this, and by this he got 10 heads, and that's all from now I want to invite Ishika.
Good evening, all of you. Today I want to tell you about Dasara. We all celebrate Dasara. It is a Hindu's festival. We celebrate it with joy and happiness. And on this day, Lord Ram defeated and killed the Ravan who abducted the wife of Ram, Sita, and today we are also burn the effigies of Ravan to marks the victory of Lord Ram. And now I want to call Harshit.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Harshit Yadav, and today I have a topic Dashera. As you can see in my back, so I am starting my topic. Dashera is celebrated on 21/10/22 in 2024, and it is also known as the Vijay Dashmi. And in this day, the Lord Ram killed the Ravan, and because he kidnapped his wife Sita Maya, and but he is not a bad person. He is a very intelligent person, and he knows all the things, and he know knowledge of all over the world. And in the when Ravan was when Ravas was dying, Lord Ram take his brother Lakshman to the Ravan, and he told him that take some knowledge from the Ravan. So Ravan tell three things to Lakshman, that never do bad things in your life. Second is in all over the world, every person has so many opportunities and challenges. So and in last, Lord Ram take his wife Ayodhya, and the Ayodhya Vasi made a very efficient and moonlight in the night, and do the as Indians know that there is a idiom like ghee ke diye jalana. So it means that the happiness in our life. Thank you. That's all from me. Next I am inviting Kush.
So hello everyone, I am Kush and now I am going to represent my topic on Dasara. So Dasara is very proud festivals for all of us and for all of us and it is all for all of us because on this day the Ravan was killed by Lord Ram, and the Dasara is also known as Vijayadashmi. Some people think that the Lord Ram killed Ravan on Deepavali, so they are wrong because they are wrong. But because the Lord Ram killed Ravan on Dashera, and but and the Lord Ram came Ayodhya on Deepavali, so we celebrate Deepavali. Now times people celebrate the Shara with very joy and burning crackers, and they clean their homes. I have seen that some pupils some pupils put the crackers in the statues of Ravan and Ravan Kumbhakarna and the son of Ravan Meghnad, and burn their bodies. But they should not do like this because some because by burning their statue, the sometime the noise pollution and air pollution affect to our environment. We should destroy their statues. So now I am inviting Yashraj to present his presentation.
So first of all, good evening all of you and respected sir. I am Yasha Yadav and I am here to present a topic on Dashera. So first of all, I want to say all of you happy Dashera. Now I want to share that why we celebrate Dashera and when Dashera is celebrated. So when God Ram killed Ravan and returned to Ayodhya. Then the people were celebrating for Mata for goddess Sita. Then the festival is called Dasera, and on Dasera we won the statue of Ravan, and also burn crackers, and I want to share a story with you. The Ramji was very intelligent, and they have also very much power because they because he is God, and God Ram can kill Ravan by their powers, but they didn't. They kill them by themselves. That's all about me. Now now I want to call Divyansh Rawat.
So first of all, Jai Shri Ram all of you, and I am a Divyansh Rawat from class 9. So today's our presentation topic is Dasera. Dasera is celebrated on the last day of Navratri, and it is also a good festival. And we celebrate Dasera in every year. And Ravan is not a bad man. He also a good man. Like he was a type of priest. He was a he was the Bhakt of Lord Shiva. So, but he but they did themselves in his overconfidence. We should we celebrate Dasera every year, but we should not a right to celebrate Dasera because we are not a Lord Ram is a good person in all the than the all people, but we should not a Ram because we should not a Ram, and Lord Ram is also a good. So that's all. Now I want to call Samyak.
Okay, good evening, respected sir and all my YouTube friends. I am Samyak Jain. Today I am gonna discuss about Dasara. So let's start. So Dasara is, we all know that Dasara is the most famous festival of Hindus. It comes after 9 days of Navratri, and it is also known as Vijayadashmi. And this festival falls on the month of September or October every year. And it is believed that on this day Lord Ram killed Ravan because Ravan kidnapped Sita ji, who was the wife of Lord Ram, and at last the Ravan, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are burnt on this day with the lots of sound and lights. That's all about my topic. Now I would like to invite Ayush.
So hello everyone, all our dear friends of Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. Here I am Ayush Mistry, and today I am going to tell you about Dasara. So let us start my topic here. So as we know that Dasara is a famous festival of India. It is known that on this day Lord Ram killed Ravan because of Ravan kidnapped goddess Sita. But in so many other countries, not so many countries, in Sri Lanka, Ravan is worshipped because there Ravan is known as a god. As it is right that Ravan is also a good person. He kidnapped Sita because of some conflicts or some problems that I don't know about. So as we know that on Dasara so many programs held, and also Ram Leela is also held, and in the end the people of India burns Ravan statue, which is also a part of Ram Leela, but at the end they burn the Ravan. As we know that in the Ram Leela, the God Ram was not able to find Ravan because he was wandering in the cloud. So that time he put up his bow and arrow and shoot it in the air. Then because of his power, the arrow got in the chest of Ravan, and at the end the Ravan got defeated by Lord Ram. Thank you. Now I am calling Shivansh Raskar.
My name is Shivansh Lakshkar, and I am going to tell about the Dasara. The Dasara is a famous festival in India for Hindus, and every Hindu celebrated with joy and greatness, because on this day Lord Ram killed Ravan, and the victory and on this day, and many Hindus are celebrating celebrating this fire on the Ravan's statue. Thank you.
Good evening to all. My name is Gaurav. I study in 8th standard. Today I am presenting a topic of Dasara. Dasara is a festival. Dasara is a most important festival of religions. It value of a lot of our religions, people to Hindu religions. The festival is a great religions and culture significance. This day victory of goodness and badness. Badness means trumped and true over evil power. This day celebrate also victory of our Lord Ram, Kaman, king of Ravana. That's all. Now I am calling a Siri.
So hello everybody, good evening to all of you. I am Sri. So today I am here to present a topic which is Dasara. So as you know that Dasara is a very important and very famous festival in Hindu religion, and it is celebrated in every year with joys and happiness. And it is the main reason of celebrating Dasara to express the positive thinking on the truth and the negative thinking on the lie. So I want to say that if we positive, so already we are always side on the truth, and if we negative, so always we are side on the lie. So as similar to the Ravan was a priest, and he is a devotee of Lord Shiv, and there is a not main issue by Lord Ram to Ravan, because he kidnapped to the Lord Sita, and that's why the Lord Ram comes in very angry, and so that's why he killed to Ravan. So that's all from me. So now I would like to invite Purvi.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Purvi Soni. Today, my topic is Dussehra. Dussehra is very important in our life, and they always tell about good ways always, and Dussehra is very important in Maharashtra historically, and very important in Maharashtra. It's also known Vijayadashmi, and this day the Lord Ram Lord Ram killed the Ravan, and because of Ravan harmed the Sita Mata. That's all about me. Please like, share and subscribe.